Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Syracuse, 5th edition. This is practice problem number 6.1. And in this problem, the first question is to find the voltage across the capacitor, and the second question is how much energy is stored. So before solving this problem, you must know 10 formulae related to this capacitor. So the first formula is C is equal to epsilon A by D. That is the capacitance is equal to epsilon, that is the permittivity, multiplied by area divided by the distance of separation between the plates, and its unit is farad, F. The second one is Q is equal to CV. Q is the charge, that is equal to capacitance into voltage applied. So its unit is what? So its unit is coulombs. The third one is I is equal to dq by dt, rate of change of charge. Fourth formula is I is equal to C into dv by dt. So in place of this Q, if you substitute CV, you will get this formula. So these two are relating the current and the voltage. So they show the current voltage relationship for this capacitance. Here also you will get the current voltage relationship, but this is the capacitance voltage across the capacitor. So this Vc of t, the capacitance voltage at time t is equal to 1 by C, that is the capacitance, and the integral of minus infinity to t I of tau d tau. So the small current at the small time, differential time d tau, is integrated from minus infinity to t time. This is formula 5. And the sixth formula is, instead of this minus infinity, which is not a feasible one, we go from this t naught initial time to the required time. So at the initial time, we assume that V of T naught, some voltage is existing. Okay. So this may be equal to 0, or sometimes you will have some value for this. Okay. This is formula number 6. So for this current, what is the unit? It is amperes. So here also it is amperes. And here for V, the voltage. So it is volts. Here also it is volts. So we have seen 6 formulas. Then the seventh one is, this is power. So power is equal to VI actually, isn't it? P is equal to VI. This is the general formula. In place of this, we'll substitute the C into dV by dt. So actually C into dV by dt is the fourth formula. So the fourth formula is substituted in this power relationship so that we will get the seventh formula. So what's the unit of power? Power is watts. Then we have the work done. So when you integrate the power, you will get the work done or the energy. So this is energy. So these three formulas are related to energy. So first one is the integrated one. This is formula 8. Then formula 9, you will get half CV square when you integrate it. Otherwise, this can also be written as Q squared by 2C. W is equal to Q squared by 2C. So for this work done, it is joules, right? So it is also joules, it is also joules. Okay, so based on these 10 formulas, you can solve any kind of electrical problems related to capacitance. So now let's get started. So what is asked here? We need to find out V. So what are all given? Given us the capacitance value and the Q value. So what formula is relating these two? So we can easily go for the second formula, isn't it? So Q equal to CV, isn't it? From that you can rewrite this as V is equal to Q by C. So Q value is given as 0.12 millicoulomb. So it is 10 power minus 3 divided by the capacitance value is given as 4.5, isn't it? 4.5 into 10 power minus 6, since it is a microfarad value, right? It cancels. So here you get minus 3. So this becomes 0.12 into 10 power 3 divided by 4.5. So it is 120 divided by 4.5. So you get the answer as V is equal to 26.67 volts. So this is the answer. So this is the answer for the first portion asked. Now we move on to the second subdivision. So in the second subdivision, what is asked? How much energy is stored? So it is related to energy. So how to solve this? What's the formula related to this? So W is energy, isn't it? So W energy. So for that, if you want to relate this, Q and C given. The formula is Q square by 2C. So if you look at this 10th formula, right? It is related to 10th formula. So you'll get it. So Q value is given as 0.12 millicoulomb. So it is 10 power minus 3 the whole square divided by 2 into capacitance value is 4.5 into 10 power minus 6. So this is equal to 0.12 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 9 into 10 power minus 6. So you get cancelled. So this is equal to 0.0144 divided by 9. So that is equal to 0.0016 joules. But in millijoules, you can write it as 1.6 millijoules. So the answer for the second subdivision is work done or the energy is equal to 1.6 millijoules. So this is the answer. So we got both answers, right? So for the first one, it is V is equal to 26.67 volts. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood.